Good morning or afternoon, it's like 1 o'clock. Come on, let's have a look. There's no one filming, it's just me. All right, welcome to the new workspace. Now, I know there is a ton of work to do in here, so I'm not gonna muck about. So let's not muck about. The biggest setback I'm gonna have in this space is height. Car does not fit in here, unfortunately. So this is gonna be a bit more of like a workshop workspace, but there is room for activities. Okay, so the paint I'm using to seal this floor or paint the floor is Hames Quick Pave. I wasn't quite sure what color to go. Going in there, I had a look. I like Greyology 7 from Hames. That is the color that I've chosen. I don't know what it's gonna look like on the floor, but it's sort of like a medium gray to light gray. It's on a white base, not a dark base. So I've swept this out twice, but this is not a permanent solution. This shed's only gonna be here for a couple of years, hopefully, and then we'll do a big shed epoxy floor. This is not an epoxy product. I'm probably just gonna roll the first coat, see how close to the edges I can get, and then I'll paint the edges in. We've got storage coming off the walls anyway, and I really don't care what it looks like. I just want it to look nice. New day. I've got most of it painted with like one really strong coat, but I'm not going to do anything else until I get shelves built. So I'm probably going to start marking out some stuff and try and build the shelves that go along this side, and then I can actually start moving some stuff in. The hardest part right now is trying to find all my shit amongst everything. But we're getting there. Oh, that's what I wanted. Come on! Oh, Jesus. Oh. All right, that's fine. This is way better than what I had. Man, it's good as. Super happy. Done. Banging. Ripper. So, is it all finished now? I'm going to move on to build a storage container here, or storage shelving for all my camping gear. So it'll be camping gear, this thing, and all my benches. And then I can start moving. So much to do. I'm going to wrap this up here. we've got a bunch of stuff in there. I've got this to fill. All the benches are built. I'm going to do another little shelf in the middle eventually, and then have a ton of storage and a ton of stuff. But for now, that's it. In the next episode, we'll do some electrical, which I'll put the disclaimer in there, but I'll say it now. I'm a licensed electrician, so it's not a DIY video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. It's going to be pretty cool. I hope to be able to do some pretty sweet shit in here. Car is not doing great. Actually, no, it's doing fine. I just haven't had a chance to work on it. So anyway, we've got to try and get it through the roller door. So that's a challenge in itself. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.